Hello everyone, welcome to Softic Mentor, and today we are going to start our new course which is Urban Design. First, we are going to discuss the introduction and the lecture plan, and we are very thankful to Dr. Ubaidullah Nadeem, who is currently the professor of University of Engineering and Technology, Lahore, and for providing us such a informative material. So first, we are going to discuss urban design. What is urban design? Actually, it is the art of creating and shaping cities and towns. It's not only involve the arrangement and design of buildings, but it also involve public spaces, transport system, services and amenities. It's very important because people are related to these things. Transport system is required by the people who living in the housing scene. They have to move to their job. They have to move to buy something at any shop, and then the public spaces they have to visit. They have to provide it services. So we have to discuss the urban design. It is the process of giving form, shape, and character to the group of building, to whole neighborhood and the city. This is the levels. First at the building level, then the whole neighborhood and the city level. Then the misconception related to urban design. It is considered either the urban design is a part of urban planning or the architecture or the landscape architecture. Actually, urban design blends urban planning, architecture, and landscape architecture together to make urban areas functional and attractive. The basic purpose of urban design is the two, which is to make urban areas functional and attractive. Then another definition, which is a city is an assemblage of building, places of work, habitation, leisure, and meeting. The process of arranging all these elements, both functionally and aesthetically, is the essence of urban design. Urban design is a dynamic art in which three-dimensional concept is experienced by moving through it in the four dimension of time. It's actually experienced by moving through it in the four dimension of time. So first we have discussed the introduction, the definition of lecture plan, that the purpose of urban design is to make an urban area functionally and aesthetically attractive, and the principle of scale we are going to discuss in the next inshallah in next lecture, and we have a plenty of lecture there. You can see the name. And now the recommended books related to urban design. The first one is the architecture of towns and cities. The second one is the responsive environments by Bentley Alloc, and then the Geoffrey Broadbent has written the book Emerging Concepts in Urban Space Design, and another book Urban Design Street and Square, the third edition of it, Cliff by Moftin. And the very important book, if you are starting, just if you have first time you had heard the term of urban design and you want to study more, this is a TSS, the Time Saver Standard for Urban Design, by Donald Watson, Alan Plattus, and Robert Shibley. And the Public Places, Urban Spaces, the Dimension of Urban Design. These are the books that I have mentioned, that you can read this to study more. If we will see you in the next lecture, which is the principle of scales. Thank you so much for watching.